Turmeric has gained popularity in recent years for its use as a natural remedy. It contains a bioactive compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Due to these properties, turmeric has been used in traditional Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, skin conditions, and joint pain. In modern times, research has supported the use of turmeric as a natural remedy, with studies suggesting that it may help reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and even reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. In this discussion, we'll explore why turmeric has become famous as a natural remedy and delve into the various health benefits it may offer. So, let's get started and learn more about this remarkable spice. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, and it helps the body fight off harmful pathogens. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, including arthritis, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin works by blocking the activity of enzymes that promote inflammation in the body. This can help reduce inflammation and provide relief from the symptoms of various inflammatory conditions. Studies have found that curcumin may be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs in reducing inflammation. In one study, people with rheumatoid arthritis who took curcumin supplements experienced significant reductions in joint pain and swelling compared to those who took a placebo. Another study found that curcumin supplements improved symptoms of ulcerative colitis and reduced the need for conventional medication in some people. Pain relief. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric may also help reduce pain. This is because inflammation can cause pain by stimulating nerve endings in the affected area. By reducing inflammation, turmeric may help alleviate pain. Studies have found that turmeric may be effective in reducing pain in various conditions, including osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and fibromyalgia. In one study, people with knee osteoarthritis who took a turmeric supplement experienced less pain and improved mobility, compared to those who took a placebo. Digestive health. Turmeric may also help improve digestive health by promoting the secretion of digestive enzymes and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. This can help alleviate symptoms of digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. Studies have found that turmeric may be effective in reducing symptoms of conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, ulcerative colitis, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. In one study, people with IBS who took a turmeric supplement experienced significant reductions in abdominal pain and bloating compared to those who took a placebo. Immune system support. Turmeric has been shown to have immune-boosting properties, which can help strengthen the body's immune system and protect against infections and illnesses. It may also help reduce inflammation in the body, which can help prevent chronic diseases. Studies have found that curcumin may help improve immune function by increasing the production of immune cells and improving their function. It may also help reduce inflammation in the body by blocking the activity of inflammatory enzymes and cytokines. Skin health. Turmeric has been used topically to treat a variety of skin conditions, including acne, psoriasis, and eczema. This is because turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Studies have found that turmeric may be effective in reducing symptoms of various skin conditions. In one study, people with psoriasis who applied a turmeric-based cream experienced significant improvements in symptoms, compared to those who applied a placebo cream. Brain function. Turmeric may also help improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. This is because curcumin has neuroprotective properties that can help protect against age-related brain damage and inflammation. Studies have found that curcumin may help improve cognitive function in older adults and reduce the risk of conditions, such as Alzheimer's disease. In one study, people with mild cognitive impairment who took a curcumin supplement for 18 months experienced significant improvements in memory and attention compared to those who took a placebo. It's important to note that while turmeric has many potential health benefits, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using turmeric or any other natural remedy. Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoy and have learned a lot from this video. Thank you for your support.